Rust preventive coatings. We get a fair number of questions every day. Obviously, everyone knows this for the red can or the rust preventive. On a bare metal surface, we want people to use both preps, the cleaner degreaser and the metal prep. It gives you a chance to clean twice. It's very, very important that you clean your substrates as much as possible. The better you prep the surface, the better success you'll have at the coating, preventing any corrosion that you're trying to prevent. We have developed our cleaner and degreaser to ensure that they work with our rust preventive coating. One's alkaline, this one's acidic, so they'll neutralize each other, but they're very designed specifically to make sure they remove all possible contaminants on the substrate. And more importantly, that they won't leave a residue. If there's any residue left on the substrate, the rust preventive coating may or may not adhere really well on that substrate. So we know that these two products to prep your substrate with won't leave any residue on there, so you have a nice, clean, dry, contaminant-free surface for the rust preventive to adhere to long term.